Hello students, welcome to COL 105 Online. I'm Miss Goff, this is my dog Manly, and we're welcoming you to class. This is a little how-to video on how to navigate Blackboard and get started to a great semester. I hope you find it helpful. Yeah, that's what Manly says. Excuse you. Okay, so here we are on Blackboard. Some of you have done online learning before, and some of you, this is very new. So I want to remind those of you who have not done an online class before that you are responsible for keeping up with everything. You're not going to see me twice a week bugging you to remember this assignment, remember that assignment. You have to keep up with everything. So the first thing you need to know is all the things that are on Blackboard, okay? So here's our announcements page. Here's instructor information. So you can email me. We can set up a time to call on the phone if you want to. But any questions, any concerns, that's how you get in touch with me. Next is syllabus and info. Very important. This is telling you tons of information about the course, the books you're going to need. You need Clifton Strengths here. Very important. And you have to have a new copy because there's a assessment you have to take with the unique code. So don't buy a used copy. Also, make sure you download Microsoft Office. You cannot use Pages or some other program to submit work. It has to be through Microsoft Office, but you can get it for free. Woohoo! Okay, then we have our syllabus. That's going to tell you all about the class and how we grade, most importantly. So there's a lot of things on here about policies, blah, blah, blah. But the important things are assignments are 45% of your grade. Here's a list of all the assignments you're going to do in this class. The paper you write 2 papers. It's going to be 20% of your final grade. GPS project, 10%. Discussion boards, 10%. The exam, which is not really an exam, it's a project, I believe, 15%. So this is important to know. If you think, oh, I'll just skip doing that one thing, it could really affect your grade. All right? So this is the really important part of the syllabus. Okay, back to the course plan, the most important thing you need to look at. This is going to tell you everything that is due the whole semester. So you know right now, you can go ahead and write it on a calendar. No surprises. I recommend putting this on a calendar with all your other assignments in your other classes, because if you just think, oh, I'll just check Blackboard every day, you're going to miss something, okay? Plus you have other classes and other things in life you're juggling. You need to have everything in one place, all right? So make sure that you are putting all your dates, everything you need to do into one place. And there's twice during the semester, okay, where you are going to need to be on Blackboard with me at the same time, all right? And one of those is in September 23rd or 24th, depending on the class. I'm making this video for both of my classes, so your date might be different here. But it's going to be on week 5, and then the other one is on week 8. Okay? Once again, the date might be different for your particular class, but you need to go ahead and look at your schedule and figure out which time is best. Either the morning or the evening, you just have to do one. All right? So this is very important. This needs to be your Bible for the semester. And for all of your classes should be these course plans. All right, and some stuff about how Greenville Tech is dealing with COVID. Wear a mask. Dear God, wear a mask. Yeah, okay. Then we go to course content over here. This is going to be your textbook for the semester, all right? This is where you're going to get all the information and what we're learning and how to use technology, okay? This is where you're going to get all the things to learn in the class. Course tools, this is where you're going to go use Collaborate. That's the online video chat. Discussion we're going to do is there. You can also, there's also tutoring here. There's our discussion board. You can look at your grades, right? Send an email. So there's all kinds of things under tools. And then we have our assignments, beautiful assignments. So this is what's open are the things you're going to be able to work on. Some assignments you click and it's a quiz, okay? Easy does it. But a lot of them, you're going to have to open up a document, make changes, save it, and then submit it. So what you'll do is you'll click on the document, it'll download. Beautiful. You will open it. You'll do whatever it needs to do, follow the directions. Then you'll save it, make sure you save it somewhere you can find it again. Then you'll go into the title of the assignment. And then you'll browse your computer and find the document you just made, right? I'm just gonna pick one, okay? And then you like make sure, okay, that's what I wanted to just upload. Of course, in your case, it'll be called Student Information Sheet. And then you'll submit. That's how you submit assignments. And you should get an email that says, confirm that you submitted something to Blackboard. All right, I'm gonna cancel that for now. So most of your assignments, that's how you will submit them, right? So always look at clicking on the instructions or clicking on the title of the assignment to get to what you need to get to, all right? Oh, very important, when you do a journal, it can be very confusing, but you gotta go to create journal entry. That's how you create a journal. And when you create a journal, oh no, the directions went away. What am I supposed to do? So what you should do is, this is a problem with Blackboard, but whatever. You should copy this, then create journal entry, and then paste it. And then you're like, okay, now I can start typing my answer to the question I was asked. All right? And once again, when you submit it, it'll tell you submitted, and it should show you what you wrote. All right? That's assignments, that's journal entries. All right? Here you can see your grades. And if I grade you and I don't give you like a perfect score, I'm going to tell you why. And a little talk box, a little bubble will appear here. So you'll have a grade, and if there's a bubble, you click on the bubble and it'll tell you why, the feedback that I'm going to give you. I'll tell you what you need to improve on. All right. And here's send email. To send email to everyone in the class or just me. You can do single and then select who in the class you want to receive an email. And there's me. All right, that's enough for today. Hopefully this will get you started.